Hello, kiddos. This is Aura Lee for the bass part. Um, when you have that different bass part. So we're gonna start. Through thine azure eyes, the moon. Measure 25. Measure 25. Through 1, 2, and. Through thine azure eyes the moon sparkling seemed to break. Orally, orally, birds of crimson wing, never wing have sung to me as in that bright sweet spring. Also forward to measure 41. Sunshine in thy face was seen. 41, 1, 2, and. Sunshine in thy face was seen, in thy cheeks the rose. Orally, orally, take my golden ring. Love and light return with thee, and swallow with the spring. Orally. Practice, practice, practice.